As we understood about an element, we have to understand now about what are the different types of elements. Okay. Basically, we'll see different types of elements like this. One type is like text formatting elements. Another type is like structural elements. Then you will have form elements. Then we have anchors and image kind of elements. Okay. So now we have to see what are the text form. What do you mean by text formatting? Whatever the text we have, we can format that text. For example, normal, this content is just a normal content, right? We are able to format this to better visual representation by using H1 element. Of course, we applied some title or style. That is okay, but basically these elements will give you a better visual format. For example, let us see those all things in a separate page that is like this. Text formatting elements. Oh, wait a minute. Rename this to .html so that it will be easier for you. For example, there is an element called I. So normally if I write India, it looks like this. Save and open this program on the browser. So go to the place where you have saved it. Here, text formatting elements, click on it, you can see that India. But if I open it in the I, if I put it in an I element, that same India will become like this. India. It is in the, what do you say, italic style, right? The same India, if you apply it in a B element, the same India, if you apply it in a B element, it looks like this. The same element, if you apply it in code, it looks like this. So it is looking like a code, right? It has a different format. The same India, oh, sorry. Yeah, the same content, if you put it in SUP, that content will come in the above part. So this is superscript, super. Generally, it will be used for x square like that. Okay, x square, the 2 should come on the top, right? Let us use that. If I write x2, it looks like this, x2, but I want it like x square. The 2 should come up. So what I'll do, I put this 2 in SUP. So you have to cut it. You will find out x square like this, right? The same way, if you use SUB, it come under subscript. Generally, it will be used for log x. So that x, I will put it in SUB. You can see log x, x is under the subscript. So like this, we have so many formatting elements. Okay, text formatting elements. These are all comes under text formatting elements. We just formatted text. This one of the most important formatting element is H1. Already we have seen that. Hello world. If I write it this way, it comes like this. But if I apply in the H1, we can see that that hello world is in a bigger size. So the same way you have so many So many elements. H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So if you see all these, that means we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 elements. Okay, these all elements will display the content in different sizes. H1 element will display the content in a bigger size. In fact, H2, H6 will display the content in smaller than the regular size. Okay, hope you have observed the difference. These are the basic formatting elements we have. Like the same, we have one next element type of elements is structural elements. We'll see that structural elements in the next video.